Welcome to my C Beginner tutorial focusing on embedded development. This issue covers the installation of Eclipse with a CDT plugin and MinGW on Windows 11. To install MinGW, we should search for it first. The second search result leads to the installer. Download MinGW. Copy the path to the clipboard. Now we install with the default settings. I'll fast forward through the installation process so as not to waste any time. Mark all packages for installation here as shown in the video. Now select Installation and apply the changes. I'll fast forward through the installation process so as not to waste any time. Open the Windows Explorer. Now we switch to the MinGW installation folder. Insert the path from the clipboard. Change to the sub-folder bin. Copy the path to the clipboard. Here in the folder, we search for MinGW and rename the file to make.exe. Now go to the settings for the environment variables. Search for the path. Here we paste the path that we copied to the clipboard. Open Eclipse website download section. Download the Eclipse version for C, C++ developer. I'll fast forward through the installation process so as not to waste any time. Now unzip the downloaded archive onto your desktop. Open the Eclipse folder and start Eclipse by the exe file. Eclipse should not be scanned by Windows Defender. Now let's create a new C project. A C-managed build. A Hello World project. The tool chain is MinGW, and we name the project Test. Build the project by the hammer icon. Now right-click to open the context menu. Then select Run As and then Local C Application. From now on, you can run normally using the button. If you liked the video, please support me by giving it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.